Hey guys, ElleAye Curlz here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I don't really want to have a long intro, to be honest, because this video within itself may end up being kind of long. So let's just get into it. As you can tell from the title, it's going to be a get ready with me. I had my hair in some twist for like a whole week. I didn't want to touch my hair or whatever. And then I loosed out the twist and got this a really defined twist out, and I never separated the twist, so I just like kind of had it to the side or had it up in one like this. But now I'm ready to separate it. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys, and I thought it would be cool to do a get ready with me since I've never done one. So I'm not a professional with makeup, and I don't have a whole lot of stuff, but I usually start with my eyebrows. I have my little mini setup in the front here, guys, so I'm going to be looking down. I don't want you to feel as though this video isn't personal, where we have a connection, because I'm looking at my stuff. But yeah, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I have this BH Cosmetics brush set, and 13 came in it. Yeah, so I feel official now that I actually have makeup brushes. So I try to remember what I had on my little mini list to talk about while I was doing this. The first thing I had, I don't remember. I coming right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I remember what I was supposed to talk about, and as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera. And the reason why I did that, because I'm not the best at eyebrows. I'm still learning, and I needed to concentrate. I can't talk to y'all and do my eyebrow. I know I've been gone for a very long time if you've been following me for all these years or whatever. And I came back with 2 videos. I did my haul, my beauty haul of things that I recently bought, and then I did a video talking about my blowouts, like how I was able to keep it straight, keep my natural hair straight for a very long time. So go and check those out if you haven't. If you're interested, you can check them out. So yeah, those are the 2 videos I did, and then I want to actually come on and give you guys an update. As you can see, my hair reverted back from the blowout. Did I receive any heat damage? I will say that I always had a little bit of heat damage on like a section here and a section here. And the reason why I have that heat damage, let me try it to my face. This is supposed to be get ready with me. I always had heat damage from my last blowout, the first blowout I got, and this was my second one. I had a little bit of heat damage, not because of the person who did my blowout. That's just why, and that's the reason why I never really mentioned it. I didn't want to discredit her work or anything, but yeah, I got heat damage because when I got that blowout, I think I did like this commercial for a company. They asked me to be in a commercial. Oh Lord, let me go faster. They asked me to be in a commercial, and the person who was doing, like, you know, they had a little section for hair and makeup or whatever. The person who was doing the hair portion of it, she kind of reapplied heat to my hair, but not, she didn't like press on my whole hair or anything. She pinned up the blowout that I already had, and then she left out like 2 little cute things at the bottom, and she applied heat by curling them. And I guess my hair was like, no boo, that's too much, you can't be reapplying heat while I already straight. And that's how I ended up getting a little bit of heat damage in my hair. So it was literally like two little tiny portions of 2 little tiny sections of hair where I got heat damage. So that's why I never really mentioned it. But yeah, that's what happens. So this time I didn't get additional heat damage, but I think I will always have those somewhat straight parts of my hair. And also my curls looked a little bit more looser too. The texture looked, my texture looked different because I immediately did a bentonite clay mask. That's my first time doing it. It went really well. But yeah, I did a bentonite clay mask on my hair immediately, and my curls were poppin', okay? Poppin'. Yeah, this video is gonna be long, guys. I'm so sorry. I feel as though sometimes it just looks too bright, and then sometimes it looks natural. I don't know. We'll see. but I have to actually dash somewhere with my mom, and I don't want to look stupid in case this is kind of bright, so I'm gonna just go in with my Black Opal stick foundation. That's my hair update. So guys, I actually made a decision about my channel. I know I recently went on Instagram and I asked people, you know, should I continue posting videos, and some persons were like yeah, some persons didn't even bother to answer me, whatever. And I know I didn't come on here and make a video asking you guys, because I figured ain't much people that watch me anymore, because you kind of forgot about me, you know, out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. So I don't really blame anyone. But yeah, so persons were like they want to continue to follow my natural hair journey. I should still do like certain videos with my hair and fashion. Some people are like, they waiting on my try on hauls. They actually enjoyed that or whatever, and I enjoy doing it actually. But I don't know if you guys followed my subscribe to my new channel that I think I mentioned it in my other video. But I have another channel called Shani Says, and that channel is actually I've always wanted to do something like that on this channel, but I wasn't sure how to incorporate it, seeing that the channel's name is ElleAye Curlz, and it started off with my natural hair. So I was like, oh, should I incorporate that on this channel? Should I make a new channel? And I made a new channel, Shani Says, and that channel is basically like helping people or young people to like kind of get through life, give tips on life. Basically it's almost like a lifestyle channel, sort of, kind of like anything that has to do with adulting, because you kind of go from a teenager to a young adult in like in a split second. You graduate from high school, you graduate from high school. Some people don't go to college and university, they just go straight into the working field. Or you go to university and college and you still kind of looked at as a young adult, and it's like, how do I even do this? How do I be a young adult? I don't know. My parents used to kind of help me, almost like they spoon feeding me, and then all of a sudden they expect me to just grow up. How do I do that? So that's why I made that channel. Look at me trying to like, you know. So that's why I made this channel. That channel, Shani Says, because I wanted to kind of share whatever I kind of went through during that transition, and share my life now in terms of like tips like about anything in life, whether it be beauty, health, budgeting, planning. I love to do things like that, planning a trip, just anything that has to do with life and adulting, guys. So that's why I created that channel, and I made this decision to continue on with that channel and stop posting on this channel. Yeah, so hear me out. So I am not gonna post anymore. This is actually gonna be my last video on this channel, and it's because I was starting to feel overwhelmed with this channel, because I was torn and I wasn't doing everything I wanted to do, and I didn't know how to incorporate it, like I say, into the ElleAye Curlz kind of theme. And yeah, I was like, I was gonna keep this channel and keep the Shani Says and work with both of them, but that's gonna be hectic, because as you can see, I haven't been posting every week on any of them, because life get in the way, you know, adulting. I'm adulting out here. So I am going to stop posting on the channel. I'm not going to delete the channel, because someone could come across any one of my videos that are on this channel and benefit from it. So I'm not going to delete the channel or the videos, but I'm going to stop posting. And if you still want to follow my life and probably see what I have to offer on YouTube, you can go ahead and subscribe to that channel. I'll leave the link below in the description area. You can go and subscribe to that channel. And like I say, you can actually grow with me through life. Like, I want the channel to be me helping teenagers, young adults, or even if you're older than I am and I have something to share that you never thought about or whatever. I want to just help everyone to grow through life successfully. Let's do this together, you know, that kind of way, that kind of feel. So yeah, if you're interested, you can go ahead and subscribe to that channel, and also follow me on Instagram, guys, because I'm gonna try to post a little bit more on Instagram, especially since I don't really vlog anymore. That's gonna be a way for you to kind of keep up with me in real time, sort of, kinda. So yeah, subscribe to my new channel and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, that's the news. I just used this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and it's in CW08. That's what I just used with my beauty blender. And if you watch my haul, you see this cute little thing I got to put my beauty blender in. I need to clean my brushes and blender, guys. So yeah, but yeah, that's the gist of everything. I'm gonna go over slightly with this Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. It's in Neutral Light. I was told by my friend who's a makeup artist that this is not my color, so I'm gonna use a tiny bit because it may make me look a little ashy, and I didn't get around to buying the thing that she told me would be more for me. So Dawn, if you watch this video, I'm sorry. But yeah guys, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me just talk, since I already gave you all the news and the video isn't over. Let me just talk right about like the channel and what I want to do moving forward in the future. Here's where the ElleAye Curlz people are gonna still fit into that channel. You're probably wondering, like, why should I go and follow that channel when I started following you? Because of your hair journey. So I'm still gonna like share my hair journey, guys. What I'm gonna do on that channel is, instead of me just focusing on, oh, this is a hair tutorial or whatever, I made, like, for instance, how I'm doing this get ready with me is like I'm showing you guys it's almost like I'm sharing my makeup journey and beauty journey with you by showing you how I do my face and the products I use, but I'm also talking to you about something that's I deem important. So I can incorporate beauty on that channel by doing something like this, a sit down talk where I talk about something. Either you can give me a topic to talk about, or I might find something interesting, or whatever the case may be, and while I'm talking to you guys, I could be showing you how I do my eyebrow or whatever. I don't know, I'm just throwing it out there, how I do something or what I use, the beauty products I'm now into. And I could also give you some tips and tricks that I use in terms of how I keep up with my healthy skin and beauty journey without breaking the bank, because I ain't got it like that. So, you know, I could help you to adult and how to plan to still look good, whether it's through clothes, my clothing hauls. I can still do a clothing haul and say, hey, these are the 5 tips that I live by to make sure that I keep up with fashion, but I'm still saving. I'm still, you know, being a responsible adult, you know. So that's where the beauty and that's where, like, the makeup, the beauty, skincare, and fashion hauls and stuff, not fashion haul, clothing hauls and stuff would come in on that channel. Where does the hair come in? So I want to do more like somewhat like kind of tutorials, and also like give you updates on my hair. And while I'm doing that, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing, y'all. While I'm doing that, I can give you guys tips on how to save while you're still trying to have healthy hair and buy products. And, you know, I can still do tutorials or whatever. The point is, whatever it is that you want from me on this channel, I can still do it, but I can do it in a more responsible way. You know, like, I can add another aspect to it, whereas you're not just trying to keep up with all these beauty trends and stuff, but you're being a responsible adult while you're doing it. If you want to take it a step further with being more responsible with your coins while you keeping up with these stuff, then my new channel will be great for you. So that's how it fit in, guys. That's how it fits in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up for a little bit, focus on what I'm doing, and speed up so the video isn't too long. But this is what I'm using, the NYX Professional Makeup Love Contours All. your eye and face sculpting palette. But yeah, guys, that's all I really wanted to talk to you guys about. I wanted to let you know what was going on. I haven't abandoned the whole hair journey, makeup journey, fashion journey, whatever journey that you were, whatever journey made you subscribe to me, or if it was my personality, then thanks. But whatever journey that you actually subscribed to me for in the first place, I'm still gonna allow you to go on that journey with me. You know, I'm not abandoning the ship. It's just that I'm abandoning this channel slightly, you know. And like I said, I don't want to delete any of the content because it's, first of all, the whole reason why I am doing, well, the whole reason why I started this channel was to help others, and for me to stop posting and also delete the content doesn't make any sense to me, because, you know, even though I'm not posting anymore, persons can still come across one of my videos and be like, wow, this really helped me. And I would really hope that that can still happen. Gee, look how y'all looking up under my arm and it look bad. What you can do, if you're gonna subscribe to the other channel, you can even comment down here. You can DM me on Instagram or whatever and let me know what it is, like what kind of topics you want me to talk about on the other channel that has to do more with, you know, going through life, adulting and stuff like that. Graduation, this is like graduation season, so I think I'm gonna do things that are more geared toward that. I actually recorded a cute hairstyle with this twist out, you know, that you can do for graduation to save them coins. Maybe you don't have the money to be paying someone to go and put or sew it in your hair or whatever. You can't wear a weave to graduation or whatever case may be. So yeah, I did a cute hairstyle with this twist out with the cap, the graduation cap. So you can go and check that out. And some people, like, they get overwhelmed with graduation, like they're now out of high school or they graduated from university and they don't know what to do. They don't know what the next step is. They feel pressured, and I think I'm going to talk about that. Share a little how I handled that phase of my life, because it wasn't like the most it wasn't the easiest phase of my life, to be honest. That transition was kind of overwhelming for me. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to that channel and let's grow through life together, guys. Let's do this together. I'm not abandoning you. Let's grow through life together and be responsible adults. So I'm just gonna cut it here, and I love you guys. I'm gonna miss ElleAye Curlz and my logo and everything. I don't know, I may just get a couple t-shirts with the logo and wear them. But yeah, and I also feel as though the name Shani Says kind of like goes with what I'm leaning more to, like the whole lifestyle growing with me kind of thing. It's my name. Shani is my name, so it's like it's not gonna go anywhere, you know, as opposed to ElleAye Curlz. I can't really carry that to every single aspect of my life. But I hope you guys understand, and I hope you will support me in my other channel later. Bye.